श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम। शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। वागीशाद्यासु मनसः सर्वार्थानामुपक्रमे नत्वा कृतकृत्या शिवतं नमामि गजाननं। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः। गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। यो नित्यमच्युतपदाम्बुजयुग्मरुक्मव्यामोहतस्तदितराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मद्गुरोः भगवतोऽस्य दैकसिन्धो रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण द्वैतवासना प्रमुच्यते बोधात्मकाय नमस्तस्मै भगवते श्रीरमणमहर्षये। हृदाकाशे सदा भान्तं शान्तम् आनन्दरूपिणं ज्ञानभाण्महं वन्दे सद्गुरुं श्री सत्यसायिनं मन्त्रयामिनम्। दोर्गर्युक्ता चतुर्भिस्फटिकमणिमयीमक्षमालां ददानास्तेनैकेन पद्मं सितमभिषेकं पुस्तकं चापरेण वासाकुन्देन्दुशङ्कस्फटिकमणिनिभा भासमाना समाना सा मे वाग्देवतेयं नमस्तवदने सुप्रदा सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरमधुराक्षरमारुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्। आञ्जनेयमतिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमनीयविग्रहं पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनं। यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र गतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूतमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। वेदवेद्ये परे वंशजाते दशरथात्मजे वेदप्राचेतसादासीत् साक्षात् रामायणात्मना मानिषादप्रतिष्ठान्तुमगमशाश्वती समायत्करोच मिथुनादेकमवधि कामोहितम् आपदामपहर्तारं धातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहं। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताया पतये नमः। वैदेही सहितं सरुद्रुमतले हैमे महामण्डपे मध्ये पुष्पकमासने मणिमये वीरासने सुस्थितम् अग्रे वाचयति प्रपञ्चनसुते तत्त्वं मुनिभ्यः परं व्याख्यान्तं भरतादिभिः रामं भजे श्यामळम्। वामे भूमिसुता परश्च हनुमान् पश्चात् सुमित्रा सुतः शत्रुघ्नो भरतश्च पार्श्वदलयो वायुवादकोणे च सुग्रीवश्च विभीषणश्च विराट् तारासुतो जाम्बवान् मध्ये नीलसरोजकोमलरुचिं रामं भजे श्यामळम्। गुरुवर्ते त्यक्तराज्यो विचरदन्वनं पद्मपद्भ्यां प्रियायाः वाणिस्पर्शाक्षमाभ्यां ऋजितपदरुजो यो हरीन्द्रानुजाभ्यां वैरूप्या शूर्पणख्या प्रियबृहर्षारोपितभ्रूविजृम्भतस्ताब्धिः बद्धसेतु कलदवदघ्नः कौशलेन्द्रोवदान्नः जानकीकान्तस्मरणम्। जय जय राम राम आंजनेय स्वामी की जय। इमं हि सहितुं शोकं मुहूर्तमविनोत्सहे किमं पुनर्दशवर्षाणि त्रीणि चैकं च दुःखिता। Sita tells Rama, I cannot bear even a moment's separation from you. What to speak about 10 plus 3 plus 1 years. Dashavarshani Trini cha ekam. And different people have measured the 14 in different ways. 7 and 7 அப்படின்னு சில பேர் சொன்னா, 9 and 5 அப்படின்னு சில பேர் சொன்னா, 8 and 6 ன்னு சில பேர் சொன்னா. இப்போ Sita takes a very simplistic approach. She says 10 plus 3 plus 1. Dashavarshani Trini cha ekam cha dukkita. And I cannot bear 14 years of sorrow. I cannot bear even 1 hour of sorrow. Where will I bear 14 years of sorrow? அதனால you've got to take me with you அப்படின்னு. இதிசா சோகசந்தப்தா விலப்ய கருணம் பகு சுக்ரோஷ பதிமாயஸ்தா விஷமாலிங்கஸ்ய ஆலிங்ய சஸ்வரம். Tormented by the great grief, Sita started to cry piteously while tightly hugging her husband Rama. இருக்க பிடிச்சுன்னு அழறா. விட்டுட்டு போகாதீங்கோ, don't not leave me and go அப்படின்னு. Abhi when she is crying in this manner, Rama also tam parishvajya bahubhyam. Rama also held her in his arms and saw the dukkham that she was undergoing. Uvacha vachanam Rama parivishvasayam stada. In order to create confidence back in her, Rama replies to her. Rama says, nahi me asti bhayam kinchit. Amma, he devi, na devi tava dukkhena swargamapyabirochaye. Nahi me asti bhayam kinchit swayambhoriva sarvatah. Devi, Sita, I also do not desire your grief. When you are in this sorrow, even heaven does not appeal to me. I have no fear of anybody. I am not afraid to take you with me to the forest. However, tava sarvam abhiprayam avijnaya shubhanane vasam na rochaye ranye shaktiman api rakshane. Rama says, I also want you to come with me to the forest. But without knowing your abhiprayam, without knowing your opinion in that matter, how can I take a decision for you? Children, I did not want to take a decision as it is. I am capable of protecting you, but I did not like you to come with me to the forest because I was not sure of your intentions, what your opinions were. Suppose I say, Sita, we are going to the forest, pack your bags and come with me. And you should say, yo, I don't want to come. Why are you asking me to come? I would rather stay here. I would rather you stay here. If you want to stay here, then of course I am not going to force you. அப்படின்னு ராமர் சொல்றார். அதான் பிரேமையினுடைய ஒரு பராகாஷ்டா. வாட் இஸ் லவ் அப்படின்னா, லவ் இஸ் ரெஸ்பெக்டிங் தி அதர் பர்சன். Love is respecting the other person's opinions and wishes. Rama says, I would like for you to come with me, but you must also want to come with me, Leah. I cannot force you. Adanala, I will have to say this. See the children, I will come with you. Ipo children, now Rama says, Yat srishtasi mayasardham vanavasaya maithili. You have been created to accompany me to the forest. Yat srishtasi. அப்படின்னா you have been created, you have been born to accompany me to the forest. அதனால ந விகாதோ மயா சக்யா கீர்த்திராத்மவதாயதா. Just as a dignified man cannot forsake his dignity, like that I cannot forsake you, I cannot abandon you, you have got to come with me. நான் காட்டுக்கு போயே, I have got to go to the forest. Obedience to my parents is the righteous act, therefore I have to go to the forest. அதனால since you are coming with me, I am very happy, you also come. எனக்கு I could not decide ங்கறார் ராமர். மம சன்னா மதிரசீதே துவாம் நேது தண்டகாவனம். When it came to taking you with me to Dandakaranya, I was not very sure whether it is the right thing to do, because it depends on what you want. But now that you have made it abundantly clear that you are determined to following with me, that you want to come with me அப்படின்னா, அப்போ please children, இங்க Rama says, Anugachya swama ambhiru sakadharmachari bhava. Come with me, Sita, and be my partner in dharma. Sakadharmachari, vanachari illa, dharmachari. Saha vanachari bhava, அப்படின்னு சொன்னா with me come along to the forest னு அர்த்தம். vanachariன்னு சொல்லல, sakadharmachari bhava, என்னோட கூட enable me fulfill my dharma. இந்த வாக்கியத்தை சீதா takes it upon herself as though it is a great command. What is Rama's dharma அப்படின்னா, Rama's dharma was vanquishing the asuras, the rakshasas. அதுக்கு Sita alone becomes the main instrument to make that happen. Sahadharmachariya irka, she is the one that is going to seek the deer. Leonard, Sitaக்கு என்ன ஆசை? Sita does not have any desire of any sort for a mere deer. ஆனாலும் she acts as though she desires the animal, because that is the starting point of Rama's mission of destroying Ravana. அதனால அதுவும் ராமனுடைய தர்ம தான். சஹ தர்மச்சரி பவன்னு ராமர் சொல்றார், என்னோட கூட இருந்து என்னுடைய வேலையை பண்ணுமா. Right now itself you start making all the preparations to get ready. All the wealth that you have, all the jewels that you have, everything give it away to Brahmanas. எல்லாருக்கும் கொடு. All the wealth that we have, give it away to Brahmanas அப்படிங்கிறார் ராமர். ஏன்னா காட்டு கிளம்புறோம் நம்ம. We are going to the forest. இதெல்லாம் நமக்கு வேண்டாம். இங்க வச்சுட்டு வந்து என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? யார் பார்த்துப்பா இதெல்லாத்தையும்? 14 years, if we have got to go to the forest now, who's going to look after all this stuff? Get rid of it அப்படிங்கிறார் ராமர். எல்லாம் get rid of it. மூட்டை முடிச்சல காட்டுக்கு எடுத்துட்டு போய் என்ன பிரயோஜனம்? All gold and jewels and wealth and good sarees எல்லாம் வச்சிட்டு என்ன பிரயோஜனம்? What are we going to do? 14 years after we come back, they will all be lost. இல்லையா? There will be no use. அதனால let others use it அப்படிங்கறத சொல்ல, எல்லாரும் கொடுமா, give it everybody. அப்படின்னு சொன்ன உடனே the moment Rama said this, अनुकूलौ सा भर्तुर्ज्ञात्वा गमनमात्मनः क्षिप्रं प्रमुदिता देवी दातुमेवोपचक्रमे. அப்படியே குதிச்சாலாம் சீதா. jumped up in joy. ஆஹா, He's agreed. I'm going with him to the forest. She jumped up in joy and started running around, giving everything away to everybody. Making the preparations to distribute all the wealth to everybody. In the conversation is happening between Rama and Sita, Lakshmana is standing there and watching everything. Lakshmana again கேட்டு ஏவம் ஸ்ருத்வா து சம்வாதம் லக்ஷ்மணஹா பூர்வமாகதஹ முன்னாடியே வந்து ஒட்டு கேட்டு இருக்காரு லக்ஷ்மணா. Lakshmana has been eavesdropping, already has been arriving, he's arrived there and Shrutva, எல்லாத்தையும் கேட்டு ஓஹோ ஓகே சரி. பாஷ்பபர்யாகுலமுகः சோகம் சோடும் அசக்னுவன் ச பிராதுச்சரணௌ காடம் நிபீட்ய ரகுநந்தனः சீதாமுவாசாத்யேஷாம் ராகவம் ச மகாவ்ரதம். Again, Lakshmana came there, fell at his feet of Rama. Sita was standing by the side. He fell at the feet of Rama and Sita. Caught hold of Rama's feet tightly. Tears are pouring down from his eyes. He is unable to control his grief. And he is telling to both Rama and Sita, children, Yadi galtu krita buddhihi vanam mrigagajayutam. Since you have both decided to go to the forest which is filled with all kinds of animals and elephants and so on, Aham tvanugamishami vanam agre dhanurdaraha, then I will also come with you. I shall lead you to the forest. Vanam tva anugamishami, I shall come along with you. I will accompany you. I will not follow you. Vanam agre dhanurdaraha, na modale kalmuduven. I will lead the way with bow in my hand. Accompanied by me, let us roam in the forest. Go everywhere in the forest. Without you, I do not want anything. Na devaloka kramanam, na amarattvamaham vrane, aishwaryam chapi lokanam kamayena tvayavina. Without you, Rama, I do not seek devaloka. I do not seek sovereignty over all the worlds. I do not even want immortality. I want only you. I want to only be with you. Adanal I am ready. I am also coming with you. அப்படின்னு லக்ஷ்மணா சொல்லி இதெல்லாம் புது ப்ராப்ளம். Rama said, Vandampa, there is no need for you to come. What are you coming for? I have to go. There is a different story. Sita wants to come. It's a different story. Why should you have to come? You need not come. அப்படின்னு Rama tried to dissuade him. ஆனால் பெரிய டிஸ்கோர்ஸ்லாம் அவனுக்கு கொடுக்கல. ஏன்னா ஒருவனே தெரியுமே என்னன்னா நம்ம ஒரு மரியாதைக்கு எல்லாருக்கும் சொல்ல வேண்டியது ஒரு மரியாதை இல்லையா? I'll come with you. It's okay. No, I'll come. Chari va. Because we cannot take it for granted that everybody will do what we want. But at the same time, out of the politeness, out of courteous behavior, we have got to say, no, it's okay. No, it's okay. It's fine. No. That's a maryada. Adanala, Rama says, no, it's okay. You stay here. Udane Lakshmana says, Adugnatascha bhavata purvameva yadasmyaham kimidanim punaridam kriyate mannivaranam. What are you talking about? Already you gave me permission. Right in the beginning itself you gave me permission. Now why are you preventing me? For what purpose are you preventing me when you gave me permission? Rama said, நான் எப்படா permission கொடுத்தேன்? When did I give permission to you? உடனே Lakshmana said, yesterday when the Maharaja announced that you are going to be, yesterday தான் நமக்கு எவ்வளவு வாரம் எடுத்து பார்த்தீங்களா? It is only yesterday that all this happened. For us so many days have passed. We are still in the Ayodhya palace. அவன் ஒரே நாள் தான் இருக்க வாழ்க்கை. Yesterday when father said, last night when father said that you are going to become the crown prince, at that time you came and said, whatever is mine is yours, Lakshmana. Chanela liya, did you not say? That means you have given it over to me, it all is mine. So if Rajyam is mine, then Vanam is also mine. If the kingdom is mine, then the forest is also mine. Therefore I am coming with you. Already you have given me permission. How come you are now saying no? அப்படின்னு சொன்ன உடனே he was standing there with folded hands praying to Rama to take him to the forest along with him. அப்ப ராமர் சொல்ல ஸ்னிக்தோ தர்மரதோ வீர சததம் சத்பதே ஸ்திதः பிரியः பிராணசமோ வஷ்யோ भ्राता चापि सखा च मे. Lakshmana, snigdaha, you are ever loving. Dharmarata, you are always devoted to dharma. Veeraha, you are the great hero, valiant hero. Satatam satpate stitaha, always, constantly you are established in the right path. And to me, Priyah Pranasamo Vashyo, you are to me equal to my life. You are always obedient to me, you are equal to me, equal to my very life itself. Bratha, you are my brother. Chapi Sakha Chame, and not only are you my brother, you are also my friend, my Sakha. Anna, if you also accompany me to the forest, who will look after Kausalya and Sumitra children? Ko Varishyati Kausalyam Sumitram va Yashasvinim, who will look after Kausalya and Sumitram? Rendu perum kadami poitoma anal. Who is going to look after? Once, children, साहिराज्यमिदं प्राप्य नृपस्याश्वपते सुता दुःखितानां सपत्नीनां न करिष्यति शोभनम्. If we all go away and Ashwapati's daughter becomes the important lady of the palace, yaar Ashwapati's daughter? Kaikeyi. And Ashwapati's daughter, if she becomes the important person of Dena, all the other co-wives like such as Sumitra and Kausalya will not be happy, they will all be in misery. Adanala, what you do is you stay here. When Bharata becomes the king, he will be busy with all kinds of kingly duties. He will be, a lot of administrative issues will be there. He cannot be bothered about how the ladies are behaving in the house. Our Rajyata Papana, Athara Kashata Papana. Adanala, he will be busy with all of those administrative duties. At that time, it is you who have got to stay here and look after them. Rama children. He says, the real way in which you will be able to show your bhakti to me. Evam mavachate bhaktir bhavishyati sudarshita dharmajna guru pujayam dharmascha pyatalo makhan. You will show me your bhakti by serving the elders, our father, our mothers. By staying here and looking after them, you will demonstrate the great love that you bear for me. That is how you will demonstrate your bhakti. Adanal nee pandu paayida. You do this. But Lakshmana says, Bharata knows about you. Bharata knows about you. Bharata is aware of your power, and knowing your power, he will automatically treat Kausalya and Sumitra with all humility and respect. You are saying I should protect Kausalya Devi. She can protect 1,000 people like me. Enna mari 1000 pera vachi saapadu poduva. Kausalya Bibriyadarya Sahasram Api Madvidan. Enna madri Madvidan, like me, thousands of people she can support and look after. What am I going to do for her? She is competent enough to look after herself, my mother, and 1,000 people like me. Adanala, I do not need to stay back here. I will come with you. Now, not worry. Kurushva Maamanucharam Vaidharmyo Nekha Vidyate. Make me your servant. There is no adharma in this. Because as a younger brother, I am devoted to serving you. Adanala, you will not be going against dharma by asking me to come along with the forest. It is not that we are abandoning our mothers and going. There are people to look after them. It is not that I alone have to be there to look after them. There are others to look after, whereas you alone, 2 of you are going into the forest. It is better if a servant comes along with you. Anucharadan cholra. Anucharam kurushva. Make me a servant. Make me your servant and take me with you to the forest. It is appropriate for you to do. Kritartho gaum bhavishyami tava chartha prakalpate. I will also be blessed and your work will also be done. Dhanuradaya sasharam Kanitra Pitakadaraka Agrataste Gamishyami Pantana Manadarshayan. Lakshmana says, I will come Dhanuradaya, I will carry the bow with me. Sasharam, along with the arrows. Adamatramilla. Kanitra Pitakadaraka, I will carry a basket. I will carry the crowbar and the shovel and so on. And I will walk in the front, making the path for you. I will walk in the front, indicating the way. I will create the path, level the path and go. Adamatramilla. Not only that, Akarishyami te nityam moolani cha balani cha. Daily I will go and bring all the roots and fruits. Illana nee ponunna. Anna, you have got to go otherwise. When we are all there and I am there, why should you go and get roots from the forest? No, tone nee bananuma anna. Lakshmana is unable to bear the thought that Rama has to sit down, squat down on the thing and dig roots. Anda appadi irukonu. Lakshmana aasaya parungo. Look at Lakshmana's bhakti. Lakshmana Anna appadi appo irukonu. Anna should just be like that. Everything we have got to do. Anna should do anything. Appadi oru aasha. Adane prema. Illaya? Agarishyami te nityam moolani cha balani cha vanyani yani janyani swakarani tapasvinam. All the food that is appropriate for tapasvis, all that I will bring. I will come and bring in all of you. You should not go anywhere. You should not be digging up roots and fruits. Chi. நீ என்ன பண்ணணும்? then நான் என்ன பண்ணணும்? What should I do then? Bhavamstu saka vaidehya girishanushuromsyate. Anna, along with money, you enjoy the forest. Along with Vaidehi, along with Sita, you go and enjoy the forest. Ramsyate. Nee poi, you go and show her the forest. Aham sarvam karishyami. I will do everything else. Aham sarvam karishyami. A famous line of Ramayana. A beautiful line. Or kinkaraha, or servant, or dasa, abdiyanna. What is his attitude? He doesn't seek anything for himself. Agam sarvam karishyami. I will do everything. Jagrata swapatascha. Whether it is whether you are awake or whether you are sleeping, I will do everything for you. You simply enjoy. 14 years you enjoy. I will do all the work for you. Yeah. And the Bhratru Vatsalyam, that beautiful love that exists between Rama and Lakshmana. We speak about it once in a while. It comes out in Ramayanam, in the Rathala Varada. It comes up here. He is not planning to take Urmila with him. Already he has said, he is not planning to take Urmila. Anna, enna unstinting love, he says, Anna, you roam around the forest with money, with Sita. Bhavamstu vaidehya sakha vaidehya girisanushuramsyate. Now you will go sporting, you will go enjoying along with Sita in the forest slopes, in the mountain slopes of the Dandakaranyam that we are going. Anna, aham sarvam karishyami. Nee poitu varthukula nalla na panni vechidu venna. I will do everything and keep. By the time you come back, everything will be ready for you. And he lives up to that. Throughout, he is going to do that. Wherever they go, he is the one who is going to build rafts, he is going to build houses, he is going to take care of Rama in every way. In one place, Rama says, Lakshmana, when I see you, I feel as though I am with my father. Lakshmana is the younger brother. Rama is the elder. Anna Rama says, Lakshmana, I feel as though I am a small boy looked after by my father. And I love Mandriyada Raja. You are doing everything for me. Rama is going to talk about this to Lakshmana later on in Panchavati. Inga Lakshmana says, Agam sarvam karishyami jagrata sapatascha. When Lakshmana expresses this kind of prema, then there is nothing more, there is no emotional dialogue, nothing to say. Rama solra, Cheri, get ready. Just get ready. Okay, Lakshmana, get ready. Suprita pratyuvachatana. Suprita happy. Paramanandam Ramark. Happy. Love is there, no doubt about it. Love is there. Anna, when love becomes expressed through words, through actions, through feelings and so on, and the expression is great joy. So when Lakshmana says these words with such extraordinary feeling, Rama is supritaha, Rama is very happy. And the happiness la Rama cholra, Savitre, Vraja, go. Aprachasva. Sarvameva Sugrujjanam. Go and take leave of all your friends, all your family, all your relatives and come. Go. Get ready. Rama starts giving instructions to him. Ye charajño tado divye mahatma varunasvayam janakasya mahayajñe danushi raudradarshane. अभेद्य कवचे दिव्ये तूणी च अक्षय सायकौ आदित्य विमलौ चोभौ खड्गौ हेम परिष्कृतौ सकृत्य निहितं सर्वमेतदाचार्य सत्कृत्य निहितं सर्वम् एतत् आचार्य सद्मनि सर्वम् आयुधमादाय क्षिप्रमाव्रज लक्ष्मणा. He says, go. When Janaka Maharaja performed the great yajna, at the time Varuna gave 2 heavenly bows along with arrows, quivers of inexhaustible stock of arrows, impenetrable armor, abedhya, kavache. All of those things were given and they were all given to us. They are all at this moment in Vasishta's house, in our Guru's house. Go bring all of them quickly. 2 celestial bows, impenetrable 2 divine armors, and 2 quivers of inexhaustible arrows. Adu matramalla 2 swords. 2 swords plated with gold. All of these weapons are there. They are all deposited for safekeeping at our Guru's house, Vasishta's house. Bring all of those swiftly, quick up. Again, Lakshmana went straight, took leave of all his friends, family, etc. Then went to Vasishta's house, brought all the weapons. He brought all of them and showed them to Rama. Rama says, good, Kale tvam agata Saumya, you have come at the right time. I am going to give away all my wealth to the Brahmanas. Go and bring some Brahmanas. So, Brahmanas I want to offer homage to them. Do a yatra dhanam, give all the wealth to them as a dhanam, as charity before we leave to the forest. So he went and started doing all of that. Rama started to give away in wealth to all the various important Brahmanas that were there in Ayodhya. Trijata, Brahmana. There was a Brahmana called Trijata. Was very, very poor, and he was a Brahmana who was living, he earned his livelihood by digging the earth with he used to dig the earth. He was earning his livelihood by digging the earth. His wife said, it seems Rama is giving everything, you go get some wealth from him. The Brahmana came there and said, it seems you are giving wealth away. I also want. ரொம்ப ஏழை அவர், குச்சேலன் அவர். எப்படி நம்ம கிருஷ்ணனுக்கு ஒரு குச்சேலனோ ராமருக்கு ஒரு குச்சேலன். குச்சேலஹா அப்படின்னா torn clothes he is wearing, அதுக்காக சொல்றோம். ச பாரியா வச்சனம் ஸ்ருத்வா ஷஹடி மாச்சாத்ய துஷ்சதாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்றேன் இல்லையா, அதுக்கு தான் அந்த வார்த்தையை தான் கூப்பிட்டேன் நான். துஷ்சதாம் அப்படின்னா குச்சேலா அர்த்தம். All tattered garments he is wearing, and பாரியா வச்சனம் ஸ்ருத்வா, his wife told him, அதனால he came. குச்சேலர் மாதிரியே இருக்கு இல்லையா. குச்சேலாஸ் கேஸ் ஆல்சோ, சுதாமாஸ் கேஸ் ஆல்சோ, wife says go to Krishna and bring some wealth. சரி அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அவர் வரார் இல்லையா. உத்தம ஸ்லோக தர்ஷனம் அப்படின்னு, idam tu paramam labham uttama shloka darshanam அப்படினு, it is the greatest good fortune, I will at least have Krishna's darshan அப்படினு. Just the way Sudama comes to see Krishna, like that here Trijata comes to see Rama. And just as nobody stops Kuchela from going straight in, here also nobody stops Trijata all the way he comes to the 5th courtyard, it seems. Jolichand varar, like Brigu and Angirasa in brilliance, he is coming, he is walking and coming. Again vandu solrar, I am a very poor Brahmana with many children. உஞ்சவருத்தி தான் என்னுடைய ஜீவனம். I live my life through gathering the grains that have fallen on the ground. ஏழை பிராமணன் சொன்னா, he is not poor because of force, he is poor by choice. ஏன்னா already we said there is nobody who is poor in Dasharatha's kingdom. அப்புறம் எங்கே இவர் மாத்திரம் poor அப்படின்னா, sannyasis are still poor இல்லையா. Even if everybody is wealthy, a sannyasi has to be poor இல்லையா. இந்த பிராமணன் உஞ்சவருத்தி பிராமணன். உஞ்சவிருத்தி வனே நித்யம் அப்படிங்கிற. நான் உஞ்சவிருத்தி தான் எடுப்பேன். ஐ வில் உஞ்சவிருத்தி அப்படின்னா கலெக்டிங் த லெஃப்ட் ஓவர் கிரெயின்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் த ஃபீல்ட். அதெல்லாம் கலெக்ட் பண்ணி தான் சாப்பிடுறது, பெக் பண்ணி தான் சாப்பிடுறது. அது ஒரு தர்மத்தினால, not because there's no other option for him. That is the lifestyle he has chosen. He says that much is enough. Simple இருப்போம், let us be simple அப்படின்னு he has chosen that simple lifestyle. But at the same time there are many children. பகுபுத்ரஹா அப்படிங்கிற நிறைய குழந்தைகள் இருக்கு எனக்கு. அதனால my wife asked me to come. பாரு என்ன எப்படி இருக்கேன் பாரு என்ன, look at meங்கிறார் அவர். மாம் பிரத்யவேக்ஷஸ்வ, என்ன பாரு பிரத்யவேக்ஷஸ்வாமிதி, look at me how I am அப்படின்னு. உடனே அவர் பார்த்த உடனே ராமர் சொல்றாராம், தமுவாச்ச ததோ ராம பரிஹாச சமன்விதம். Jokingly, laughingly, Rama tells this Trijata Brahmana, he says, there are 1000 cows that I have not yet given away. அது எனக்கு இருக்கு, நீங்க ஒன்று பண்ணுங்க. You do one thing. You are having a staff in your hand, ஒரு தண்டம் in your hand. You take that and you throw it across these cows wherever it falls. All the cows that are standing there until the staff falls, all those cows will be yours. அப்படின்னா இதை கேட்ட நாளைக்கு என்ன பண்ணாரான்னா, சஷாட்டீம் தொரிதக்கட்யாம் சம்பிராந்த பரிவேஷ்டியதாம் அப்படின்னா உடனே அவர் என்ன பண்ணாரு, இருக்க he tightened the upper garment around his waist tightly. அது ஒரு அங்கவஸ்திரம் இருக்குல்லையே, அதை எடுத்து இடுப்புல அப்படி கட்டினாராம். எடுத்தாராம் குச்சி. He took the staff, twirled it around. குச்சி பிராமணன் அவரே குச்சி மாதிரி இருக்கார். There is no, you cannot tell the difference between the brahmana and the stick, because brahmana is also like the stick only. பாவம், குச்சிக்கும் பிராமணனுக்கும் வித்தியாசம் தெரிய மாட்டேங்கிறது. எடுத்தார் அந்த குச்சியை, went around and then hurled it across with full force. அது போச்சாம், it crossed the bank of river Sarayu and fell near a bull in the midst of 1000 cows. கிடைக்கிறது லாபம், அடி தூக்கி போடுறா அப்படின்னு போட்டார் அவர். அப்புறம் விழுந்தாலும் பரவாயில்ல, இருக்கிற சக்தியெல்லாம் கேதர் பண்ணிட்டு collected all the strength that was there in him and threw the stick. After that, even if you collapse, it's okay, at least cows will get it. அங்கேன் அப்படி போட்ட உடனே ராமர் என்ன பண்ணாராமனா, தம் பரிஷ்வஜ்ய தர்மாத்மா. Rama hugged him to his chest and said, Brahmana, I was just joking with you, please do not be angry with me. All these cows are yours. I know the strength that you have in you. I know the power that is there in you. Your power is not the physical power, it is the Brahma Shakti that is present within you. In order to see that, in order to demonstrate that, I incited you to this act. Do not be angry with me. Not only these cows, what do you want? I will give everything to you. What else do you want? I will give everything to you. என்ன வேணாலும் தரேன் அப்படின்னாரு. Trijata, oh poor me, this is enough for me. And he accepted those cows and that wealth. He blessed Rama profusely and left from there. அப்படின்னு ஒரு சின்ன கதை போடுறாரு இங்க வால்மீகி. The reason for the story is why this சொல்லலைன்னா நம்ம ராமாயணம் என்ன பண்ண போறதா? Ramayana story is not going to have a break or become delinked or disjointed if this particular episode is not narrated. Rama gave to everybody and then left to. காட்டுக்கு போறது தானே முக்கியம். If going to the forest bit is left out, then story will be abrupt. This story, whether it is included or not, makes no big difference to the entire content of Srimad Ramayana. அப்புறம் எதுக்கு போடணும்னா, it shows Rama's state of mind. He is going to the forest, he is giving all his wealth away, but even then he can joke about it. அதை காமிக்கிறதுக்கு அவ்வளோ அசால்ட்டாக இருக்கிற ராமர், என்ன மேம் வெல்த் தானே, he is joking about it. Fun and frolic பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க, பரிகாசம் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க. இந்த மாதிரி all the attendants that were living there in the palace looking after him all these days, all the soldiers, guards, servants, sweepers, dhobis, gibis, எல்லாம் இருப்பா இல்லையா, அத்தனை பேருக்கும் ராமா and சீதா gave away wealth to everybody. எல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு from there they are going to see Dasharatha Maharaja. அதுக்குள்ள the news is spread everywhere. Once again Rama is leaving from his palace to Dasharatha's palace. Last time when Rama went, all the people were assembled there. Rama was upon the chariot. The beautiful royal umbrella was held above his head. The royal fan was being used to bring pleasure to him. All the people were vying with each other to look at him. Now Rama is walking on the street. Lakshmana and Sita are following him. Walking on the street, these people have never seen Sita at all. They've never seen even Sita because she never came out. She was always inside. For the first time she's even come out. In the Sita, is the Sita going to go to the forest? Angaragarocitam Sitam Rakta Chandana Sevinim Varshmam Ushmam Cha Sheetam Cha Neshantyashu Vivarnatam. Ladies, all the ladies who were standing there were so sad. See how fair she is. She is used to wearing all kinds of Angarago Chitam Sitam. She applies nice red sandalwood cream upon her body. Fair and lovely are Sita. If she goes to the forest, Angapona, Varshma, Ushma, Sheetam Cha, she'll be exposed to the elements. She'll be exposed to rain, heat and cold. Ayo, the complexion la padma karuthu peduvale. Vivarna ma eduvale na. Ava solra ayo karuthu peduvale Sita will become dark in complexion appdin solra. Rama's walking even without the umbrella. Even the birds of the sky have not had a glimpse of Sita before. Now, all the passers-by in the highway are able to see her. All the people are feeling so sad about it. Alas, in those days, the women of dignity and respect, such as royal family, they were not seen by commoners. They will stay inside only. Now, the fact that they are being seen by even commoners, it's a bit of a step down. Why has this happened to Rama? Everybody is in grief and sorrow. They are all saying, let us also go. But all the people are talking amongst themselves. If Rama has to go to the forest, then let us also go to the forest. Let Kaikeyi rule over a deserted, dilapidated kingdom. She wants a kingdom for her son. Let her have that kingdom. Let her son rule over it. Ruined courtyards, dilapidated houses, deserted streets, drained of wealth and food grains, covered with dust, abandoned by everybody, with neither water nor smoke arising from the kitchen, infested with rats, courtyards and houses that are standing unswept. Let there be broken earth, pottery everywhere. Let there be no offerings to the gods, no yajnas being done, no recitation of sacred mantras in this Ayodhya. All of us are going to pack our bags and go to the forest. Vanam nagaramevaastu yena gacchati Raghava. Vanam will become Ayodhya for us. Wherever Rama is Ayodhya for us. If Rama is going to go to the forest, Ayodhya people all of us will go to the forest. They are all talking to each other. Rama is listening to all this. Everything is listening, but still he is walking along. Entered into the apartments of Kaikeyi where Dasharatha is still lying. Again, Sumantra is standing there stricken with grief. Outside, Rama goes to Sumantra and says, please inform my father that I have come. Please tell my father I have come here to take leave of him to go to the forest. Sumantra goes inside, sees Dasharatha still lying in the same manner like a sun in eclipse. In great agitated state. Sumantra goes and says, your eldest son, the best amongst men, Rama, having given all his wealth away in charity to the Brahmanas and to all his dependents, is waiting at the entrance. Please bless him with your audience. Let him come and see you. He has already taken leave of everybody. He is leaving to the forest. Dasharatha says to Sumantra, Sumantra anayame daran eke chidiha mamakaha. Sumantra, bring all my wives and consorts. I cannot bear to see Rama alone. I need moral support and bring all my wives. Nariya wives are 350 wives. Dasharatha has 350 wives. One for each day of the year. And the 350 days are no year. The Swami used to say a very funny reason for it. In those days, when Parashurama was going around the earth killing all the Kshatriyas, இல்லையா, he was destroying the world of all Kshatriyas, இல்லையா, only 2 Kshatriya families survived. யாருன்னா Dasharatha, Janaka. Dasharatha and Janaka survived. How is it that they survived? அப்படின்னா, the moment Dasharatha had kept a lot of spies all around the place. அவளுதான் ஒரே ஒரு வேலை தான், only one job. If anybody sees Parashurama coming, immediately the report has to come to the king. Parashurama is coming nearby, அப்படினாலே Dasharatha will get marriage pandal ready. He will get somebody, ஒரு princess வச்சிருப்பா ரெடியா. The moment Parashurama is entering into Ayodhya, டங் 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 கட்டி மேடம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி மாங்கல்யம் தந்து நான் அப்படி immediately he will marry. Immediately he will marry, and as soon as Parashurama comes there, he will come and say, Swami, I just got married, please bless me. அப்ப என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? தீர்க்கசுமங்கலி பவார் சொல்லி ஆகணும் இல்லையா? Parashurama cannot do anything with a newly married couple, newly married பாவம் bride. How can he kill the husband and make her a widow on the day of her marriage? அதனால ராமனன்ல he will say, okay அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு I'll come back again சொல்லிட்டு போயிடுவார். வரேன்டா இன்னொரு நாள் வந்து பார்த்துக்கிறேன், வாங்க சுவாமி தாராளமா வாங்கோளே, ப்ளீஸ் கம் அகேன் அப்படின்னாரு. தசரதா வெரி ஹாப்பி, ப்ளீஸ் கம் அகேன். அதுக்குள்ள இன்னொரு வைஃப் ரெடி பண்ணி வச்சுப்போம் அப்படி. இந்த மாதிரியா in order to avoid being decapitated by Parashurama, he got married 350 times. அதுக்குள்ள பரசுராமா ரிட்டையர்ட். இவர் ரிட்டையர் ஆன மாதிரி பாட்டை காணும், பரசுராமர் போறீங்க சாமி விட்டுட்டு என்ன ஆள விடுங்க, நான் போறோம், ஐ எம் நாட் கோயிங் டு கில் எனி மோர் க்ஷத்ரியாஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு பரசுராமா அக்செப்டட் டிஃபீட் அண்ட் தசரதா சர்வைவ்ட். ஹவு டிட் ஜனகா சர்வைவ் அப்படின்னா, ஜனகா ஆல்சோ ஹேட் a similar modus operandi. He also had spies everywhere. The moment anybody saw Parashurama, immediately news and உடனே என்ன பண்ணுவார், கையில பவித்திரத்தை போட்டுட்டு வருவாராம். He will put the பவித்திரம் ring finger, tie a Diksha thread around his wrist. I am doing yajna அப்படின்றார் அவர். I have just taken a Diksha, I have just taken a Sankalpa to do yajna. அங்கே பரசுராமர் வருவார், வந்து உடனே சுவாமி ப்ளீஸ் கம், I am just going to do yajna அப்படின்னா, ஓஹோ யஜ்ஞ தீட்சையில் இருக்கணும், கொல்லப்படாது இல்லையா? How can you kill somebody who is already taken up the Diksha, the initiation to do a yajna? That is not applicable, appropriate அப்படின்னா, all right I will come back again. தாராளமாக வாங்கோளே, ப்ளீஸ் கம் பேக் again. ஒருத்தர் கல்யாணம் பண்ணிட்டே எஸ்கேப் ஆனார், ஒருத்தர் யஜ்ஞம் பண்ணிட்டே எஸ்கேப் ஆனார். One man kept on marrying and escaped, one man kept on doing yajna and escaped from Parashurama. In this manner, until Rama came and took away all Parashurama's powers, these two, father and father-in-law, had to do some other means to escape from Parashurama. Adhanala 350 wives he had, he called all of them, he said, bring all of them, let all of them be there, only after that I will be able to see Rama. Rama kaathuirukka, Rama is waiting, adella varudhu, othara all the ladies are coming. எல்லாம் மெதுவாக வரலாம், nobody is hurrying, nobody wants to hurry. ஏன்னா சீக்கிரம் போய் என்ன ஆக போகிறது? See, if you go quickly, Rama will leave quickly இல்லையா? அதனால everybody is coming slowly. ஷனைஹி அப்படிங்கிற ஷனைஹி ஜக்முர்த்ருதவ்ரதாக, all those ladies are coming very slowly. அது வரைக்கும் Rama is patiently waiting outside. When all of them have come, he is looking at all of them, all 350 of them are there. அர்த்த சப்த சதாஸ்தாஸ்து அப்படின்னு சொல்றார். அர்த்த சப்த சதா, சப்தசதா அப்படின்னா 700, அதுல அர்த்தா அப்படின்னா ஹாஃப். இந்த மேத்ஸ்லயே போட்டு பூந்து விளையாடுறார் வால்மீகி. நேர 350 சொல்லப்படாதோ, 700 divided by 2. 700 divided by 2 wives came there. நேர 350 wives இல்லையா? அர்த்த சப்தசதா பிரபதாகான். 700 divided by 2 wives came there, led by Kausalya. எல்லாம் அங்கே வந்து they all stood there. Now bring Rama அப்படின்னு சொன்ன. Rama enters, followed by Sita and Lakshmana. Dasharatha, on seeing them, the three of them enter, he gets up, he stands up, wants to go towards Rama. Anna, the sight of Rama walking in, tortured by grief, while running towards him itself, he falls down and falls down to the ground and becomes unconscious. On seeing this, Rama and Lakshmana come running. On seeing this, Rama and Lakshmana come running to pick him up. அங்கே எடுத்துன்னு வந்து அதுக்குள்ள all the ladies எல்லாம் கத்துறா, ஐயோ இப்படி ஆயிடுதே ராஜாக்கு அப்படின்னு. All of them are ha ha அப்படின்னு கத்தின்னு இருக்கா. Ha ha Rameti Sahasa, ha Rama Rama. All the ladies are also crying out. Again Lakshmana and Rama lift up Dasharatha, help him back to the couch. In a moment, slowly the king regains his consciousness. On seeing that he is awake, Rama is standing there with folded hands. He says to the king, Apriche tvam Maharaja Sarvesham Ishwarosinaha Prasthitam Dandakaranyam Pashyatvam Kushalenama. Hey Maharaja, hey Maharaja, Appa, Father, I am going to the forest. Hey, O king, I am going to the forest. O Maharaja, O all powerful king, O great king, I am taking leave of you. You are the Lord of all of us and you have commanded, therefore I am leaving to the forest. Please see me off happily. Cheerfully you see me off. I tried to dissuade these two, Lakshmana and Sita, from coming with me, but they did not agree. They are also coming with me. Adanala, three of us are going. Allow Lakshmana, Sita and myself, your subjects, to depart from Ayodhya and go to the forest. Dasharatha looks at Rama and he says, I have been deceived by the words of Kaikeyi. Raghava Kaikeya Varadane Namohitaha. I have been deceived, deluded by Kaikeyi. Rama, don't go to the forest. Nigrihyamam, you become the king. Bhava Raja, you become the king. Nigrihyamam, you imprison me instead. You throw me into the prison and you become king. You Yuvarajala Vanda, no need to become crown prince. You become directly the king. Maharaja, why do you become Maharaja? You throw me into the prison. Imprison me. Raja ve chol. Kamshanla nariya Ramayana padichirukam. So tappu sollappada adu Kamshan. Later on, in Bhagavatam we find Kamsa. Kamsa was an avid reader of Ramayana. Adanalda he got the inspiration to imprison his own father. Pakapona Aurangzeb la kuda padichirukam bodurukku. Dasharatha himself is giving the idea, you throw me into the prison, you become the king instead. Rama says, Bhavan Varsha Sahasraya Prithivya Nripate Pati Aham Tvaranye Vatsyami Name Karyam Tvayanritham. O king, you will remain the emperor of this land for 1,000 more years. Don't worry. I will go to the forest. Do not deviate from the path of truth for my sake. You need not break your word. Having fulfilled the vow, I will come back in 14 years and come back and once again fall at your feet. When Dasharatha hears this from Rama, he says, my son, it is not at all in my heart that you should go to the forest. Let me make it very clear to you. I swear by truth that your departure is in no way a pleasure to me. Without knowing, I have brought a fire into the house and that fire is burning all of us up now. It is perfectly to my expectation that you will say this. Therefore, it is all right. If you are going to the forest now, I cannot dissuade you from your course. I know, although I do not like it, although I cannot bear it, you will stick to the words or the command that I have given you. You will make every effort to make my words come true. It is not a surprise to me. Anal, however, stay one night at least. Stay one more night with me and all your mothers. Stay here. Dasharatha pleads with Rama. Rama says, although they were very sad, he says, I have already given up this place. I cannot stay here anymore. Today itself I am leaving from this place. 14 years I will stay in obedience. Don't be sad. Give the kingdom to Bharata. I do not have any desire whatsoever. Ma vimarsho vasumati bharataya pradiyatam nahi me kangshitam rajyam sukamatmaniva priyam yata nirdesham kartum vai tavaiva raghunandana. I have no desire for this kingdom or for any pleasure. Do not think that you are making me sad or you are taking away my happiness, because I do not desire it in any way. Therefore, do not be sad. Give the kingdom to Bharata. I will go to the forest. Nothing is more dear to me than fulfilling your command. Naivakam rajyamichami. I have no desire for this rajya, for this kingdom. Na sukham, nor even for pleasure. Na cha medini, nor for sovereignty over this earth. Naiva sarvani man kaman swargau naiva jeevitam. I do not desire any, I do not have any desire for heaven or for the fulfillment of desires or even for life itself. All I want is that truth is upheld and never falsehood. Adanala, in the name of truth, in the name of all my punya, I am promising you, I will make sure that your words are kept up. It is not possible for me to stay even for one moment here. I will go to the forest. Abdin Rama makes it very abundantly clear. Rama is making it very clear to Dasharatha that he does not intend to stay there for much longer in Ayodhya. Therefore, we will stop here for today and we will continue again tomorrow. A bit of dialogues on how everybody finds fault with Kaikeyi, Sumantra, Dasharatha, Vashishta himself. Everybody scolds her, everybody abuses her because of the behavior that she is demonstrating. Analum, what is really wondrous, generally, when all public opinion swings against us, even when Mahatmas, Mahapurushas, Guru, Kulaguru, etc. are all speaking, anybody will feel a little bit of a hesitation. Kaikeyi is only a woman. Vamasvabhava, generally they will be a bit delicate, more conscious of public opinion than men also. Despite all of that, it is a wonder that she does not bat an eyelid when everybody is assaulting her in a way, verbally. Everybody is ganged up against her, against Kaikeyi. Irundalum, she doesn't give in. That's where we see that workings of fate. All that we will see as we go along. Janaki Kanta Smaranam, Jai Jai Ram Ram, Anjaneya Swami ki Jai. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम तत्सत्। श्री साईश्वरार्पणमस्तु।